channel. If you're new here, go ahead, stop what you're doing right now, hit that subscribe button. Also turn on that post notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a video. And if you're returning, welcome back. Don't forget to like and comment. Let's start this journey together. Okay, you guys, so as you're about the title, today's video is going to be me unboxing the Nifty 50. I was super excited. I could not wait to get my hands on this lens. It is actually sold out now. I got it from Best Buy, of course, my second home. It took me a while to do this unboxing video. I mean, I've had it for like 2 days. That's not really a long time, but when you're staring at a box, that's a long time. I had to order another piece. That's what they don't tell you. I had no idea. So I ordered another piece, and now we're gonna do the unboxing of both pieces, and we're gonna put it together, and I want to record to see the difference. All right, you guys, so this is the Nifty 50, the EF 50mm f by 1.8 STM. I could not wait to get my hands on this camera. It's supposed to give you the blur effect. So we're gonna unbox this baby, put it on the camera, and we're gonna see if it does what they say it does. So this is, like I said, the Nifty 50, and this was a second piece that I did not know that I had to order, an adapter. So now we're here, and I bought this adapter off of Amazon. They do have a Canon adapter. I just didn't really want to pay $199 or $99 for an adapter because there's like 2 different adapters. I had no idea. I just went and bought a freaking lens and no idea. But yeah, so you need an adapter. Make sure you pick that up. If you're going to be getting the Nifty 50, please go pick up an adapter. Don't be like me. I ordered this adapter from Amazon. It was like $37. I'll link it down below. I'll link everything down below. It's the EF EOS M. I asked the guy in Best Buy because the Best Buy is actually sold out of the adapter. So I couldn't get my hands on that even if I wanted to. I had to go directly to the Canon website. Same price. So that's why I went to Amazon. The guy at Best Buy told me he's heard good things about this brand. He said it was a popular brand. So I made sure, because I'm like, I left Best Buy and then I was like, then I went and watched some more reviews. I'm like, I need another piece. I had no idea that I needed another piece. So this is the adapter piece. You screw this on first and then you put on your Nifty 50. So let's get straight into unboxing and putting everything on the camera. Let's see. This thing is heavy. It comes with instructions, but like I said on my channel, we don't read those, even though I should. So this is what the adapter piece looks like. And then here, it just, you know, this is the part you screw on. This is what it looks like. Let's unscrew this. This is what it looks like. This is the part that screws onto the camera. And then this is the part that the actual lens screws on. So now we're going to just put this on the camera. I'm going to have to turn the camera off, but I'm going to show you guys what this looks like. Let's open up our Nifty 50. It has some instructions. Again, we're not reading those. This is what the Nifty 50 looks like. It says Canon, and then on the side, and this is the part that you screw onto the piece of the adapter. And this, of course, is the actual lens. So you guys, I'm going to stop recording here and put everything together, and we're going to test this baby out. Alright, you guys, so this is what the camera looks like. I had to find somewhere that had kind of some stuff in the background, so I'm not sure what it looks like until I edit this video, but from the looks of it, I can't tell if it's blurred or not, but I know it's really zoomed. So if you don't want it to be zoomed, this is good for if you're doing like product reviews, which I'll be doing. Just like if you're taking photos and you want the background to be blurred, this is good for all of those things. Okay, guys, so in conclusion, do I feel that you need this lens? I feel like I need the lens. I can't tell you what to go and buy. All I'm gonna say is just be smart. Do your research. Don't be like me and go buy the first thing you see and not read everything or watch videos on everything. But I feel like for me, this is going to serve its purpose because I'm about to get more into reviewing products, doing makeup, taking photos. I love for my background to be blurred. I did realize that the focus was just a little bit off when I moved. I don't know if you guys could tell. I'm going to try to add that in. But other than that, I feel like it was a blurred background. It was like I just found a tiny spot since I was already in this room to try to blur something out. And I feel like it kind of blurred like it was supposed to. If you, as you can see, the aesthetics is nudes, and you know, so you can't really, I can't really tell. I have to go somewhere where there's going to be like a lot of background. So in conclusion, for me, yes, I feel like this is a 10 out of 10. Do your research. That's all I can say is do your research. And do not go and spend that much money on an adapter. They do the same thing. That's still not to discredit other companies. I'm just saying. Take what you want with that. To each his own. But you guys, so that is my review on it. So I feel like the Nifty 50 is worth it because I like a blurred background. I like for me to be the center of attention 99% of the time. So yeah. Alright you guys, so that pretty much wraps up this video. Leave a comment down below. Also like and don't forget to subscribe. Like I said, do not be like me. Do not go and get the Nifty 50 without an adapter. And don't let anybody tell you that you can't get an adapter off Amazon. I read the reviews. I asked someone at Best Buy. They do the same thing, okay? There's tons of brands out there. I mean, that's not to discredit Canon, but... And then it's sold out. Everything is freaking sold out with cameras. So you guys, I really hope you learned something from this video because I did not know. I literally had to watch like 200 videos to be told that I needed an adapter. I watched so many videos and nobody said anything about an adapter. So I'm like, I gotta put them on. You need an adapter. But I could be wrong. There probably is a lens where you don't need an adapter. I don't know. So I'm kind of new into the camera world. So I'm trying to help people out that's new like me. I'm not a tech guru, but I'm a little tech savvy. So you guys, like I said, I really hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys learned something. See you guys in the next video. Bye.